everybody! So today we're looking at the latest Walmart Beauty Box. And Walmart Beauty Box is a bi-monthly subscription that sends you items for health and beauty. And it's actually you just pay for shipping. So it's very affordable and it's pretty cool. Okay, so this theme was Embrace Your Beauty. And it kind of has a summer jungle tropical feel to it with the tissue paper and everything. Okay, then we have Pantene. This is foam conditioner. So this is for wet hair. It's not a dry one, but there you go. Then we have a little sample of Nair Wax Ready Strips. A little full packet of Garnier. This is Skin Soothing 1 3-in-1 Day-Night Mask. Little mask. This is a little hair mask from Garnier Fructis. Then we have some wipes. Kleenex wet wipes. I have another mask. Hydrogen mask from Neutrogena. And then we have some coupons. So this seems way less than the other Walmart beauty boxes that I've gotten. Like way less. So I'm not sure if they, I'm not sure why that is. Like, I don't know, almost everything here is a full packet. Except for this. So that's not my favorite. So yeah, this is kind of disappointing. I mean, it's basically free, so you can't complain too much. I think it cost me $3 total. But I don't know, it's just surprising because usually they have lots of good stuff, and this is just mostly full packets. So that's a little disappointing. But anyway, if you want to check out Walmart Beauty Box, I'll have a link in the description, and let me know what you think. And thanks so much. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you later. Bye!